Hello there, welcome. In this video, I am going to show you how the concatenation operator works. Concatenation is used to add text or strings together. So if you want to add several strings together, you use the concatenation operator to do that. It's the same as the addition operator. It's just that when you are using the symbol with text is known as concatenation. I have got my sample web page open, this dark color here. I've also got the console open, which is built into the Firefox browser, and I've got the Scratchpad open, which is also built into the browser. I have written 2 lines of code here just to explain how the concatenation operator works. This console.log, anywhere you see a console.log means it's logging what's between the parentheses inside the console. So if I run this piece of code, it will show up inside the console. So let me explain how the concatenation works. So they only work with strings, that is text. So if I add, this is James, this is a name called James. And when using text values or strings in JavaScript, you have to enclose them in quotation marks, in quotes. That's why I've done that. So that's why James is surrounded by quotes. And then you use the operator, the addition operator, to add James and Bond together to make it James Bond. So the plus sign here, you notice I've got 2. The first one adds a blank text, hence the quotes, there's nothing between it. So what this operator will do, it will add a space. It will add a space, and then what the other operator will do is add the text Bond. So the first operator here adds a space, the next one adds another text Bond. So if I run this, it will show up in the console. It will be James space Bond. There you go, James, the space, and the Bond. The space was created using this blank string here. All right, so that is how you would use the concatenation operator. So when using the add with strings is known as concatenation. When you're using it with numbers, it is known as addition. Also take note that if I added, anywhere you add a string and a number together, the value will return as a string. So this is another example. This says JavaScript is fun. If you notice, I've got 1, 2, 3, 4. Wow, I've got 4 operators here. So after the text JavaScript, the first operator adds a space and then adds another text, which is. Don't forget, texts are enclosed in quotes. And then after this is, the operator adds another space, which is this. And then the next operator adds another text fun. So if I run this, you should see JavaScript is fun. There you go, JavaScript is fun. So the space there and the other space there is created with this blank string here, nothing in between the string. So that's what you use to create a space between text. I've written another piece of code here. And I've mixed a string and a number together. When you add a string and a number together, it will give you a string. the output will always be a string. So a string plus a number will give you a string. So if I run this piece of code here, I should get an output saying Boeing 747. So let me run that. You can see there it's got Boeing 747. So when you add a string and a number, you get a string, and you don't need to enclose numbers in quotes, only strings. In this video, I explained what concatenation is and also showed some sample scripts on how to use the concatenation operator. Thank you so much for watching. If there are any parts of this video you do not understand, please let me know. I'll be more than happy to help. Thank you so much for your time. I really hope you have gained something from this video. Thanks so much, and bye for now.